So find the domain and range of the function f of x is equals to 5x plus 3. So first of all, the domain is the set of all possible input values of x such that that will be allowed to be substituted in the function. Okay, so domain is the x, while for the range, this is a set of all possible output values of y that the function can produce. So in this case, our domain is all the real numbers. So we can just say everything from negative infinity to positive infinity. This is just a straightforward function. There's no fraction, there's no square root, there's nothing. So it's just straightforward. For our range as well, it's also straightforward. So range will be the same. Range includes everything from negative infinity to positive infinity. So there we have it.